What's up, good people? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. Over the past several weeks, I've been dropping videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. That is my goal for this year. Every Wednesday and Sunday, you're going to see an upload from Food Vibes, whether it's a cooking video, a challenge, a video like this, and me talking to you all, an interview, meal prep, Chef Chris show, this is what we cooking show, whatever it is, it's going to be dropping every Wednesday and every Sunday. And I need you guys to keep me on board with that. Right now, I'm doing pretty good. I'm super proud of myself. I'm going to give a pat on the back because your girl is being consistent. It's very hard being consistent. It's very hard doing what I do. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about that. Who I am, what do I do, the things I'm trying to accomplish, the entrepreneur world, and so much more. So, if you want to hear all of that, make sure you subscribe, like, share, go get your popcorn. So, I know you're wondering who I am. You see me on your YouTube feed, you're subscribed to the channel, or you're getting ready to subscribe to the channel right now. That was your hint. Go subscribe. Or see me on Instagram, whatever case may be. But you don't know who I am. So, I'm here to tell you. My name is Monique Hines. I'm a mom. I have a son, Mr. Junior Vibes. You see him on my channel cooking, teach you how to cook, be efficient and independent. So when he grows up, he knows how to make his own food, own dinner, all that good stuff. I have 2 dogs. We are a huge animal lover family, dogs in particular. You may see them, you may not. I don't know. Who's to say? Food is one of my passions. Love cooking food. I love eating food. I love trying new foods. Music is another one of my passions. Basketball is another one of my passions. Helping people is another one of my passions. So all of that is me. That's who I am. Those are very different aspects of me that come together to make Monique. When I was 27 years old, I launched Food Vibes. Food Vibes teaches cooking classes for all ages and all abilities. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to put my passion for helping others. If you don't know, I work in the field with individuals with disabilities. That's what I've been doing for the past 7 years. And even prior before that, I was still involved in this community, volunteering and just seeing my mom do it. So I do that, as well as I wanted to do something pertaining with food to teach people how to cook, mainly the disability population, because they need that. You know, oftentimes we don't allow that population, that community, the same love and support that we do to everyone else, or the same resources, the same classes as we do towards everyone else. And so Food Vibes here to bridge that gap. We teach cooking classes for all ages and all abilities. So that's why I put those two together, my love for cooking, my love for helping people, and I built Food Vibes. And it's been a ride, y'all. Starting in 2020, right before the pandemic, I had no idea that was happening. And I've been rolling ever since. When I tell you, it's been one of the hardest things ever to have this vision in your head and to put it on paper, to make it come to life, to build it, and to get people to support, to get people to see what you're seeing is extremely hard, because sometimes they won't, sometimes they will. You just never know. Over the past 3 years, it's been ups and downs, highs and lows. I would say that due to COVID, due to me being a new entrepreneur, due to me not necessarily knowing how business was going to be, because what I pictured in my head was completely different from what I have experienced. But I'm happy I've experienced what I've experienced, because it makes the little small victories so much bigger and so more meaningful to me. We're coming up on 3 years on March 7th, and I'm so excited with that, because this year we have a physical place to teach our cooking classes, as well as doing online classes, as well as continuing some of the big events that I did last year. Last year we had the Food Vibes Walk on Me 5K. I will be doing another Food Vibes Walk with me, but it's going to be a little bit different so everyone across the world can join. I will be doing another Family Fun Day. We had a Family Fun Day this past August. school supply drive, book bags. Kids came out, had fun, water balloons. It was a blast, and I plan to do that again this summer. Cooking classes every month. That's gonna be so exciting. Really trying to build my class list. Trying to build the people that come to the classes. We're gonna be doing some really cool theme classes. That's what I'm working on. We're gonna be doing some really cool theme classes. We're also gonna be doing. I have a special project that I'm launching this spring. I'm very excited about that. It ties into one of my passions. Well, two of my passions actually. So stay tuned for that. What else will we be doing? Oh, October. Not autism. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. My grandmother passed away from breast cancer, and I want to start something in honor of her, in honor of the individuals that have been in my life that have had breast cancer, have breast cancer right now. I want to do some type of intimate brunch, very intimate brunch, and bring ladies together to share their stories, to share their support, and just be able to honor my grandmother in that way. So stay tuned for that. That will be happening in October. So much stuff is happening within my business, and it's been a journey to get here. From learning how to build my website, to learning how to post on YouTube, to learning how to make reels, Instagram, how to be relevant, how to get people's attention. From someone who didn't post a lot, just hear stuff here and there about whatever, but learning how to post every, I ain't gonna say be consistent, and how to be consistent, learning how to jump out of my shell and talk to people, pop up shops, and be uncomfortable all the time has been a task of being an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur is uncomfortable. Nothing about this is easy. Nothing about this is going to be given to you. It's one of the hardest things that I've ever had to deal with and navigate through, because every day is completely different. Every month is completely different. And there's been months where I was just like, is this worth it? Like, I'm doing all this and I'm still in the same position, but you have to keep going. You have to keep going. You have to keep going. Last year was pretty big for me. I did not, I'm going to be real with you, I did not have that many cooking classes. Maybe about 10. Maybe not even 10. I don't know. But from a standpoint of networking, from a standpoint of content, from a standpoint of securing a spot for my classes, y'all, last year was amazing for Food Vibes, and I want to take what I built last year, carried it into this year, and expand it even more. So it's going to be a ride, and I thank you for joining me on this ride. Those of you who are entrepreneurs, those of you who are trying to be entrepreneurs, those of you who are just starting to be entrepreneurs, hang in there, keep your head up. Just know why you're doing it. Don't, if your goal is to make money, being an entrepreneur isn't, I wouldn't say it's the best move for you, because out the gate, that's not going to happen. I'm just being honest with you. I'm almost 3 years in, and me making a profit is, ooh, yeah. So just, I do it because I want to help people. I want to be my own boss. I want to build my own, bring my own vision to life. I want to give back to the community. I want to do the things that makes me happy. I want to tie different individuals, different communities together. And I want us to be a family, to grow, to learn, to teach people how to cook, because cooking is essential. Even if you are not the best cook, or you just cooking to, for taste, or just cooking because, okay, I need to eat something. I want it to be good. I want you to be like, oh man, this was so good. It was so simple. And I learned it from Food Vibe. So that's my goal, is to teach you guys some simple, not necessarily simple, but tips and tricks on making some delicious food. Okay? And that's starting with your kids all the way up, because one day your kids, like my son is 8. One day he's going to be 18, and he's going to be 28, and he's going to be 38, and he's going to have to learn how to cook at some point. So why not start them young? We start classes ages 2 and up. 2 and up. So we got you covered. Got our website at www.foodvibesway.com. And Make sure you follow us on Instagram at underscore food vibes way. I could talk for hours and hours on this, but I'm going to make this video short. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for showing me so much love on Instagram. Thank you for commenting. I really like engaging with you all. So please comment, especially if you're an entrepreneur. If you inspired to be an entrepreneur, drop that in a comment. Tell me about yourself, about your business. If you are a young adult and you don't know how to cook, drop it in a comment. I would love to help you with that. So I think that's pretty much it. So I gave y'all some good stuff, some stuff I haven't even announced to the world about, my passion project. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it's coming. Look forward to my videos every Wednesday and every Sunday, 8 p.m. Wednesdays and Sundays, Food Vibes dropping a video. You feel me? So make sure y'all share this video so people can get to know me, who I am. I'm me, and I'm taking y'all along on this journey as I build my business, as I grow as a parent, as I grow as a daughter, as I grow as a pet mom, as I grow as an individual. So thank you for viewing, watching, and I hope you subscribed because there's going to be so much more. We are just getting started, y'all. As always, it's the Food Vibes way. Y'all have a blessed day, night, whatever time you're whatever time you are looking at this video. Thank you for watching.